Hello, my old school soul food family. Chef Jeffrey back with another video. All right, y'all. I got some. It's summer, almost summertime, y'all. And I canned these up last summer. These peaches. So I'm gonna get rid of these because before I know it, I gotta bring in more peaches. So what I decided to do, I'm gonna make me an old school peach cobbler out of my fresh peaches that I canned last summer. So I don't know how many it's gonna take y'all to fill up this pot here. But we're gonna open them. One of them I had in the refrigerator already open. I think it's this one right here. I'm gonna pour the juice and everything. And this one's gonna be kind of different, y'all, because I'm not gonna have to add no pineapple juice. Because this is already, these peaches gonna be already good to go. The syrup and stuff already gonna be pretty much good to go in them. Here, y'all. Gotta get them open, y'all. Gotta get them open in here. Looks like fresh peaches, y'all, that you can yourself. Put them bad boys in there. What we gonna do, I'm gonna cut this on. And we're gonna, guess I should have had them already open, huh? Come on, Chef Jeffrey, get with the program here. Got a world of a seal on them, don't they? It's all that good juice, everything's in there, so I don't have to add no. Let me turn this on. Let this get the heat up. I think it's gonna take me 5 jars here, y'all. Put them in there. One more jar here. Oh yeah. When I can these bad boys, I'm telling you, they definitely sealed up. One more. Okay, there we go. That's good to go. All right, now, all we're going to do now, of course, I got the fire on. We're just going to add a little nutmeg to this. Not too much nutmeg. Cinnamon, got to have my cinnamon, y'all. I love my cinnamon in my peach cobbler. A little vanilla. And normally I would add pineapple juice to this. Y'all already know. And then butter. And I gotta add a little sugar to this. A little sugar. Hold on, y'all. Hold on. Get this out the way. Get that out the way before I break it. Hold on. Sugar to this, y'all. Not much, because like I told you, when I can this up, I put sugar already in it, in the juice. So we'll kind of taste this here a little bit. I'll put about a cup in here right now, and I'll give it a taste and see if it needs more sugar to it. It shouldn't, because they're already in the sugar solution. So what I'm gonna do, we're gonna let this come to a boil. When it comes to a boil, I'm gonna taste it a little bit, make sure it's got enough sugar in it. And then we're gonna thicken it up with cornstarch, put it in my pan over here, which I'm gonna show y'all in just a second. With the pie dough in the bottom, put the crust on top. Easy peach cobbler, y'all. Old school style. So we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we back here. Okay, y'all, what I need to do, I need to put my pie crust in here and get it ready. Y'all know I love my Pillsbury. Let me zoom out here. Pillsbury pie crust roll. This is the best invention in the world, y'all. The best invention in the world. I'm gonna get these put in my, oh, this is my cobbler dish. I always like while my cobbler is filling, heating up. Put this in here. Say, when you need an easy peach cobbler, you can't get no easier than this, huh? Unroll the pie dough, throw it in there like that. And I sprayed my dish, y'all. Throw it down in there. There we go. I got my other one ready to cut up when that gets ready, but what we're gonna do, Move y'all back over here. You see that nice butter in there, and this thing gonna come to a boil. Look at them peaches in there, that nice juice. Now y'all, I'm a juice person. I like more crust and juice than peaches. But to each his own, right? To each his own. And what I can do, y'all, I got some more peaches here in a jar I might use, but for this video, I might just leave it just like this until however Chef Jeffrey want to do it. You can always add more peaches, but see them peaches in there? I did can these last summer. Sure did. And I'm gonna taste this here and see if it got enough sugar in it. Oh yeah, we good to go. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put a little water here and make a slurry in my cornstarch here. So when it starts to boil, I'm gonna add the cornstarch and water to my stir this up in here. Alrighty. Alright, I got my slurry ready. I probably don't have to use all of it. And we're gonna come right back, y'all. When this thing starts to boil, I got my slurry. See my slurry over there in the bowl? I'm gonna add that to that and thicken it up, pour it in the casserole dish, put the dough in there and bake it for about 45 minutes, y'all. We're gonna have old school peach cobbler. We'll be right back. Alright, y'all, we back here. Okay, you can see this is boiling here. Alright. Alright, y'all. We're gonna throw that cornstarch in there. We're gonna thicken this up. We're gonna thicken this here up. Alright, look at that, y'all. Look at this here. Oh yeah, see them peaches in there, that cinnamon, nutmeg. Oh yeah. I think that's enough. We're gonna turn this bad boy off. Look at that there, y'all. Oh yeah. All right. Now what we're gonna do, y'all, we're gonna move it over here. Where I got this pie dough here. And I don't wanna cook it no more because it's gonna cook more in the oven and thicken up more. So I'm gonna just pour this right in here, just like this. Like I've done this before, huh, y'all? Like I've done this before. Okay, hold on, y'all. Chef Jeffrey, get it together there. Get it together. Okay. I got my cobbler in there now. We're gonna, all I'm gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna put my, oh, let me rinse this to get this soaking in there. Get that to soaking, okay. Get this out the way. Okay, move y'all over here, zoom you out a little here. Okay. Now all I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put my pie dough on top. You can put one whole pie dough, or you can cut it in lattice, however you wanna do it, y'all. However you wanna do it. I'm gonna cut mine in strips. Okay. Alrighty. Just like this. Just like that now. Nothing fancy. Regular old cut this in this way. Don't have to be perfect. We old school. We don't have to be perfect. Telling y'all we old school here. We ain't perfect. A couple more here. One right here. We'll put these two right down the middle, just like this. There we go. Now y'all know I gotta add me some butter to this and some sugar. And we're gonna be good to go. Let me get some butter here. Put a little butter on top of here. Cut a little pin for you. You can put melted butter, but I like to put the whole butter pieces on top. You just kind of break it on top, just like that. Just like this. Little pieces, just like that, y'all. And we're gonna put a little bit of sugar on top. Go, a little sugar on top, just like this. Got that nice sugary crust on top. We're gonna put in the oven 350 degrees, about 30-45 minutes, y'all, till it's nice and bubbly and golden brown. Y'all up here where y'all can see. Nice bubbly brown and golden. Look at that, y'all. How quick that peach cobbler come together. Old school peach cobbler come together out of homemade peaches, y'all. Homemade canned peaches. So anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back. Peach cobbler is fresh out the oven, y'all. See how it's still bubbling there? Look at that. Look at that nice peach cobbler, y'all. Look at that. Nice and bubbly and good. Perfectly brown, golden brown crust. Got that nice caramelized sugar on there. So what we gonna do, y'all, I'm gonna step off and let this get not completely cool, but you know, cold enough where I can scoop it out. A lot of people eat it like this, put up some ice cream on it. I do not like ice cream on peach cobbler, y'all. I think the ice cream waters down the whole eating experience of the peach cobbler. That's just my experience, my personal preference. A lot of people like cobbler and ice cream. I do not like cake and ice cream because it just ruins the experience, eating experience. Just waters it down. So, just my opinion. But anyway, I'm gonna step off here, y'all. I'll let it cool down maybe 30-40 minutes here. And we'll come back and we'll try a bowl of this. And I gotta prove to y'all how good old school homemade peach cobbler, meaning homemade peaches, canned peaches and everything, y'all. You can't get no better than this. Anyway, y'all, we'll be right back. All right, y'all, we are back here. Yes. Got me a little bowl of this, not much. Look at this here. This is hot. That's why I look still a little, ooh man, this is excruciating hot, y'all. Excruciating hot here. So we're gonna go in here and get a little peach, get a little crust, get a little close up here. See that steam coming off of there, y'all? Look at that steam just coming off of there. And this will burn the roof of my mouth if I try to bite this whole thing. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Here we go. Here we go. It literally melts in your mouth, y'all. That's like homemade canned peaches. Wow. Like I say, some people like ice cream on there. I prefer not because it ruins the whole eating experience. You know, once it's set up, y'all, it's gonna get thick. It's really hot. I let it cool off maybe 10-15 minutes. I just couldn't wait. But look at this. I'm not gonna eat a lot of this because I gotta eat my supper first, and this gonna be my dessert tonight. That's why I'm not eating a whole lot of it and tasting. But I did want to taste it and show y'all how awesome it is. You see how quick I put it together? And my normal peach cobbler recipe, I'm gonna put underneath there with the pineapple juice. A lot of people don't have old school canned peaches. I'll put the link to my old school canned peaches video so y'all can see how to make that also. So anyway, let me close this video out. If you like the video, please share, please comment, please subscribe, please follow my other social media accounts: Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Twitch TV, Pinterest, and oldschoolsoulfood.com. Remember the hashtag 2022, just 223. Just show some kindness, Old School Soul Food. Till next time, have a blessed Old School Soul Food day, and I will definitely see y'all in the next video. Love y'all. Bye.